PNG Drilling Company is the Russian drilling contractor with international approach. The Khanty-Mansiysk Autonomous District, Yugra, is the foremost oil and gas production area in Russia and one of the most important oil-bearing regions in the world. Every 16th ton of oil produced globally comes from Yugra. As of recently, PNG Drilling Company has been making a considerable contribution to the black gold prospecting, extraction and production in this region. PNG Drilling Company is one of the leading Russian drilling and service contractors that can boast of international outreach as well as the most cutting-edge equipment and technologies. Drilling wells at subnormal temperatures amid taiga and swamplands requires a special approach, as traditional ways of drilling are not suitable in such environments. One requires the latest innovative technologies and the most advanced drilling equipment. And it's exactly this type of technologies that the specialists at PNG Drilling Company have opted to use on the territory of the Yugra region. Depending on the requirements of its customers, the company is in a position to provide the full range of services in the sphere of well drilling and cementing. PNG Drilling Company takes pride in the fact that thanks to its top-level equipment and thanks to the expertise and professionalism of its specialists, the company has passed the challenging accreditation procedure with flying colors and can count major Russian oil producers among its customers. The technological and innovative advantages offered by PNG Drilling Company make it possible to construct more compact wells in shorter periods of time, thus reducing the environmental impact of drilling activities and subsequently the recultivation costs of the affected sites. PNG's fleet of drilling and cementing rigs is renewed and restocked on a permanent basis. This is the company's tried and tested strategy for the next few years, and it should ensure the successful development of the company. Mobile drilling rigs Eskimos and Viking that are currently operating in the Khanty-Mansiysk Autonomous Rig District know no equals in Russia and have made an excellent showing in the harsh climatic conditions of the Yugra region. The mobile drilling rigs used by the company are equipped with automatic systems that eliminate the human error factor. In case of an emergency, the automatic equipment switches off the driving mechanisms on its own and blocks them in the original position. The company's engineers control online all the key operating parameters in the course of work of the drilling rigs. With the help of wireless technology, all the current operating parameters of drilling rigs may be promptly transferred to the foreman's or customer's office. PNG Drilling Company is one of the few Russian drilling contractors that maintains an electronic passport of each drilling pipe using special RF tags. These tags are capable of storing and updating the data regarding the use of drilling pipes in meters and minutes. Thus, the risk of a breakdown caused by a possible use of a low-quality pipe is significantly reduced. The company pays special attention to environmental and industrial safety in the course of well construction. PNG offers its customers the option to work within the framework of the pit-free drilling technology, making use of large centrifuges, cutting dryers instead of ecologically unsafe traditional coagulation and flocculation system based on the use of corrosive acids. Cutting-edge drilling technologies, reliable modern equipment, operational safety, the high professionalism of its employees who have mastered the most efficient Russian and international best practices. These are the main components of success of PNG Drilling Company and the reasons behind its well-deserved reputation among customers. Membership in international professional organizations such as the International Association of Drilling Contractors and the International Well Control Forum gives the company access to the most advanced best practices and indeed allows it to be the Russian drilling contractor with international outreach. Thanks to its technological advantages and professionalism, PNG Drilling Company provides its customers with innovative and highly efficient solutions in order to optimize the extraction of subsoil resources.